Hello friends, welcome. Today, I'm drawing Bluey being chased by a big bird. Do you want to know why Bluey had to run today? Can you guess? Was it because the bird wanted her sandwich, because she was too close to its nest, or because it just wanted to play a game? What do you think, friends? One sunny morning, Bluey carried a little piece of bread in her paw. Bingo skipped beside her. Suddenly, a shadow swept over the ground. Bluey looked up. There was a giant bird gliding above. Its wings stretched wide, shiny and strong. Children, can you spread your arms out wide like a big bird flying? The bird swooped lower. Bluey gasped. It's coming after me. Bingo giggled nervously. Run, Bluey, run. Kids, run in place, quick steps, just like Bluey dashing across the yard. Mom called from the porch. Stay calm, girls. Dad chuckled. Looks like the bird wants your snack, Bluey. Bluey held the bread tight. It must be hungry. Bingo whispered. Maybe it thinks you're sharing. Children, pretend to hold a piece of bread high in your hand. The bird flapped closer, its feathers shining. Bluey zigzagged across the grass, dodging left and right. Kids, stretch to the left, now to the right, like you're avoiding a playful bird. Like this video and subscribe my channel. Finally, Bluey stopped under a tall tree. Maybe we should give it some food. Bingo nodded. Together, they placed the bread gently on a rock. The bird landed softly, tilting its head. See, Bingo, Bluey whispered. It just wanted a snack. The bird pecked at the bread, then lifted its wings. Instead of chasing, it hopped around happily. Bingo laughed. It's not scary at all. Children, flap your arms slowly, like a calm bird after eating. Mom and Dad joined them, smiling. That was clever, Mom said warmly. Dad added, sometimes when someone chases, they're just asking for kindness. Bluey stroked Bingo's paw. I was a little scared, but I feel better now. The bird soared back into the sky, circling once before flying away. Bluey waved goodbye, big bird. Bingo waved too. Kids, wave high in the air, saying goodbye to the bird. The family sat together under the tree, watching clouds drift by. Bluey sighed. That was an adventure. Bingo nodded, and a new friend too. Children, close your eyes. Picture the bird flying far and free, wings glowing in the sun. Now wave goodbye with Bluey, Bingo, Mom, and Dad, all safe and smiling together.